For today's episode, True Facts presents the 9 unbelievable sea creatures. But before that, please support and subscribe to my channel for more videos. 9. Featherstar. These crazy-looking marine animals wave their feathers to get around underwater. They like shallow water, but they can sometimes be found on ocean floors up to 9 kilometers below the surface of the water. Swirling their many feathered legs in the water, we can almost imagine what they'd look like floating through the starry galaxy. 8. Glaucus Atlanticus. The Glaucus Atlanticus, also known as the blue dragon, is a type of stinging sea slug. They actually float upside down on the waves, their blue bellies face up to match the surface, and their silver backs face down to blend in with light shining down. To us, they look like surfing UFOs. 7. Mantis Shrimp. These exotic rainbow warriors may be small, but they're extra mighty crustaceans. Their glowing green backs, red legs, bulging eyes, and long antennas certainly make the mantis shrimp one of the most alien-looking creatures on the planet. 6. Scotoplanes. Also known as the sea pig, these jelly-like creatures are actually a type of sea cucumber. Unlike the crunchy and delicious green vegetable, this sea cucumber lives in the dark at the bottom of the ocean. 5. Dumbo Octopus. They live in the deep open ocean down to depths of at least 13,100 feet, 4,000 meters, and perhaps much deeper, making this group the deepest living of all known octopuses. Life at these extreme depths requires the ability to live in very cold water and in the complete absence of sunlight. 4. Leafy Sea Dragon. Apparently, not everything that's leafy grows on plants. You may find this hard to believe, but the leafy sea dragon is actually a type of fish. If you squint your eyes, you might be able to see their resemblance to a seahorse, but we think that these guys could fit in just fine on Neptune. 3. Hairy frogfish. If it's called a frogfish, does that make it a frog, or a fish? The answer is kind of a combination. Though they're officially fish, they actually walk along the seafloor on their bottom fins in search of a tasty meal. They may look like monsters in great need of a hairbrush, but the hairy frogfish is actually amazing at hiding and can even change colors to match his surroundings. Sounds like some extraterrestrial powers could be at play here. 2. Gran rojo jellyfish. The name of this jelly means big red, which perfectly describes this gigantic, ruby-colored monster of the deep. They can grow up to 3 meters across, almost 10 feet, and instead of long trailing tentacles, they have arms that are short and stubby. 1. Sarcastic fringe head. Running out of names to call the creepiest fish in the sea. Take that, you big, sarcastic fringe head. These aggressive fish have large, colorful mouths that snap open if another fringe head comes too close. The size of their mouth is a sign of strength and dominance to the other intruding fish and tells them to keep away. Which of these unbelievable creatures do you think is the coolest? Please comment below.